what's up everyone? My name is Claudia Ramirez. Welcome back to another episode. If you've ever wondered how you can become motivated, you see other people accomplishing goals, doing their thing, reaching milestones, going for it, and maybe you feel stuck. If you're the kind of person who's wondering, what can I do to feel motivated, to actually change my life, to get this party started, you are in the right place. And I'm going to tell you why. In this video, I am going to break the biggest misconception when it comes to motivation. And I am going to teach you the exact steps that you can take that play a part in your life for you to actually become motivated and become a better version of yourself each and every single day. We're going to start off with busting this myth that is the biggest lie that you have ever been told, that in order to get started, you need to be motivated. I always tell you guys that I am not a motivational speaker. I am an inspirational speaker, because motivation comes from within. That is something that nobody can actually do for you. Step number one is to be inspired, whether it's through a thought that you have in your mind, or maybe it's through a goal, maybe it's by following someone and you see them and you think, wow, what they're doing is really big. It encourages me to do the same thing for myself. If you ever experience that inspiration, that is what is going to get you moving. Tony Robbins says that people take action for one of two reasons: inspiration or desperation. And I've also made videos about how people make decisions based on pleasure or pain, and feeling inspired, taking that first step, is the same thing. Whether you are inspired to go get this life, to go get this body, to go improve your finances, to go have the best relationship ever, whatever the case may be, if that is what inspires you, great. Also, you could be inspired by not wanting and feeling desperate of this certain situation in your life. So that's still inspiration, whether it is to gain pleasure or to avoid pain, that makes you take the first step. It is not motivation. Now, the second step is very simple. It's taking action. One thing is to feel inspired. Something very different is to take action. It would be so nice if we could think, okay, I am so inspired. I see this person or I see my life and I want that. And by just sitting here and looking pretty and looking handsome, I am going to go get it without even having to pick up a finger, lift a finger. However, that is wrong. In order for you to actually achieve the life that you desire, you are going to have to take action in one way or another. Now, what happens if you've been feeling stuck and you're thinking, Claudia, I honestly don't want to take a lot of action. I feel like I'm in a slump. I'm stuck. I don't feel motivated. What can I do? Take little steps. Little steps that build up along the way. It's kind of like whenever you're eating ice cream. Do we like ice cream? And you kind of just take a scoop one at a time, and before you know it, the entire tub is gone. You've made some progress. That is exactly how it works. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. And it's going to help you get there. It's like whenever you're laying the bricks. I always talk to you guys about laying the bricks, laying a foundation in your life. It doesn't mean that you have to figure out an entire wall on day one. But hey, figure out what kind of bricks you're going to use and just put one down every single day and take that action. Now, with action, you're going to see progress, because every brick that we lie down, every brick that we put down, every step that we take, every morning workout, every page that you read, every audio that you listen to, that is going to give you that progress. Inevitably, you are going to see a change. But I get it. If you are feeling unmotivated right now, perhaps you're thinking, Claudia, I don't feel like taking action. I don't see how this progress is going to take place in my life. However, I encourage you to go for it and to allow the process to give you that progress that is going to keep you going, and ultimately is going to take us to step number 4, which is to feel motivated. Motivation is the result of feeling inspired, plus taking action, plus seeing the progress. That is where motivation comes from. Whenever you realize that you were able to get out of a hump, out of a slump, out of a bad situation, out of feeling unmotivated, and still went for it, you're going to want to continue doing it. And it is a cycle. It is a cycle, but it's not a cycle that keeps you right here. It's kind of like an upward spiral that you circle over and circle over and circle over, and it continues moving you up. That is how you become motivated. So today, make a decision. Make a decision to feel inspired. And if you're not finding a way, if you're not feeling that inspiration, tap into more of these videos, listen to podcasts. Actually, I'm thinking of starting a podcast. Would you guys like that kind of content? I am honestly super equipped and super ready to give you guys long content, short content, whatever it is that you need so that I can better support you. But I know that I'm not the only one out there. There's so many podcasts, the School of Greatness, On Purpose with Jay Shetty, that you guys can tap into and learn from other experts. Feel inspired, take those baby steps, see the progress, feel motivated, and see the change in your life. That is what I have for you guys today. And I am so excited that you have tapped into this video. I am so excited that you are still here because it tells me something about you. You are one of those 10% of people who are hungry and who continue leaving their comfort zone. If you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know also what kind of other videos you guys would like for me to create. This is my full-time job now, and I am here to serve you in every way that I can. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it will really support my channel. Don't forget to be a best version. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.